Morning, everyone. Jack McGrath at NakedTrader.com. Well, the market has already had a pretty good size move up overnight. This 99.25 market in Red March 99.25 high is huge resistance level. If you look to the left on a chart, 24.5, 25, we spent a lot of time and the market failed all the way down to the lows, and now we're back up pushing the envelope. If we get above 25, you're looking for 28 as the next little resistance level, but I think that we're already seeing some selling pressure. So now what you're looking for is this 17 to 19 area becomes support. If we can come down there and test that and it bounces, I think that you could revisit this 25, maybe even make a new high. But we're already seeing selling here at the moment after these highs have been put in. So you got to be very cautious. You may have a little spike top there to keep an eye on. Today's close is going to be very important. If we can close in the upper end of the range, probably still have another leg up. If we close on the lower end of the range, you're going to have a spike top, possible reversal type pattern. So that's what we want to keep an eye on. 10-year note, I have 119.07. Had that yesterday. That was a 79% retracement level in the 10-year of the last move also. Now, if we continue to hold above there, I think we could go up and test this 200-day moving average, which was 120.15. You also have a gap, which it's basically when the 10-year wasn't really that liquid, but that 120.18 trade would fill that gap on the chart. So it's possible that we get a trade up there. I'd be looking to sell that 200-day moving average area. We could come down. I think your first real support is going to be around the 13 to 12 area on the notes. Then that 07 level is going to be important as well. So you look for a trade back down. You'd be looking for the market to find some support here on a down trade. Option-wise, June 96 puts down about 11,000 yesterday. SEP 92 puts, we've seen a lot of buying on that 90-92 put spread over the last several days. Twos, I think, traded over 10,000 yesterday. The 92 puts in SEP up 17, little over 17,000. Short March 92 calls were down 11,000. Most likely that was off a short covering. And the green March 81 calls were down 15,000. So a little bit nervousness yesterday after that trade. Now you have the Japan earthquake devastation. Crude oil's coming off of that, I believe, and no real news out of Saudi Arabia this morning. So crude coming off, a little bit of a relief there in oil and in gold as well. You had a decent down move in gold. It's basically down a touch here this morning. So I think you have a lot of stuff to look at going on around the world. Pay attention to that. We'll see how the Friday goes. Have a nice weekend. Thank you.